Hey, Skunkworks. I want to talk to you guys why you're not watching the videos. Alright? I'm going to fix this doghouse and then talk about why you're not watching the videos. Alright, so here we have this doghouse. I'm going to fix it. Alright. So why are you guys not watching the videos? Don't you know how hard it is to make videos? Put them up there. All the videos that I put up, you guys are not watching. Why? You don't write in the comments. And it's not that the videos are no good, it's just you guys are not watching. Why? You know, I don't understand it. You know, what do you want? You're not watching. I don't know why. What do you want? You know, you don't say nothing in the comments. I put up video, the one with the lawnmower. Tell me, what was wrong with that? You don't know how to fix a seized lawnmower. And you didn't even watch. Whoa. Too much pressure here. You know? You don't like that kind of video? Then what do you like? You don't say nothing in the comments. What do you think? I'm a mind reader? So I'm going to put this on the sun and wait for you to respond. You know, watch glue get hard. Can't see. And that's what it is. You know, watch paint dry. Alright, enough paint drying. Don't tell me what you like. Don't tell me what you want. What do you expect? Think it's easy making videos? Then you make it. Whoa, look at that. Breaking. Ice ray. Ice. Run. Oh my goodness. Ice is coming. Uh-oh. Ice ray. Ice ray. Immigration's coming. Immigration. Got it. There. Isn't that excitement for you? Oh. And you say the videos are boring. Alright, this video here had a point to it. You know, I was building this dark house because I make these other videos and you guys just don't watch them. You don't leave any comments. You don't give me any feedback. So what do you are expecting? You know, how can the channel grow if there's no feedback? It's a two-way street. The videos I produce take a lot of time and a lot of editing and a lot of, you know, post-production and shooting videos and all this stuff. And you guys don't watch it. You know, what's the point then on my end? You know, I did pick up a new subscriber today. Thank you. You know who you are. And, you know, what do you want from me? Tell me. Get out of the doghouse and watch my videos. Hey, Chinese warrior saying, why you don't watch my channel? I'll give you chop chip. What? Hey, Chinese warrior say, why don't you watch my channel? I give you samurai whack whack. Malfunction. Malfunction. Come on. manual overdrive. Watch my channel, or I'll give you string on the string. Ah. Man, I'm editing this one. So much to do, just so you can. God damn it, son of a bitch. Too fast. God damn it! Do you see why these videos are so hard to edit for you and you go and watch? What's the point? Alright, it's so hard to shoot this video. I want to know why you're not watching my videos. A bunch of you are just a bunch of... It's either that or you're just a bunch of... Courage is being scared to death, but saddling up anyways. Be sure to get my forklift book at Amazon today. Don't hesitate. Alright, I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Leave a comment, hit the like button, and let me know. Communicate with me. It's a two-way street.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.